Good morning, children. Welcome to Herleen Ma'am's class. Yes, today is grade 3 images. There you go, grade 3 images. And what do you think is the name of the chapter? Well, you're looking like Golu and Peta. Yes, that's the chapter's name. Move. Golu and Peta. There you go. You like the name of the chapter, Golu and Peta? All right, that's chapter 9, Golu and Peta. Children, we all just love festivals, yes? Now tell me, which festival do you enjoy the most and you love celebrating? Diwali. Yes, I guess everybody just loves Diwali, right? Now, what do people do when they celebrate a festival? You're going to make a list of things and just write down the points. All right, we move on to the imagine part. If you were to celebrate your favorite festival in a very different way, how would you do it? For example, if Diwali is to be celebrated, no bursting crackers. Yes, we are going to have these paper patakas. Do you want to try doing that? Make a paper pataka? Yes, I think that's how Diwali and all the festivals should be celebrated without causing any harm to the environment and to anybody. And yes, enjoy the festival Diwali, because the chapter we are going to do today is on Diwali, Golu and Peta. Now there's a sweet little story by Pratibha Nath, an Indian writer, very famous for her stories for children, and she's a naturalist. She loves nature, but this particular one, of course, is on Diwali. So let's read the story about a lonely woman, lonely all by herself. She's going to celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. Should we start, everyone? Yes, chapter 9, Golu and Peta. In a village, there once lived a woman named Lakshmi. She lived all alone, all by herself. Her husband had died many years ago, and she had no children. This made her very sad. Why was she sad? Because she was all by herself, she was lonely, her husband had died, and unfortunately, she had no children of her own. One day, Lakshmi was cleaning her house. It was the morning of Deepavali. The whole village was joyous mood. They all were so happy, and of course, everyone's cleaning their homes. This time, let's not go to our relatives' homes to exchange sweets. We better stay home and stay safe, children. So the children laughed and played under the trees. Lakshmi heard them and thought sadly, how I wish I had children of my own. She was really sad. Why? Yes, because she didn't have a husband, he had died, and she had no children of her own. Suddenly she had an idea. What do you think is the idea? Yes? All right. She took some ochre, lime and turmeric and mixed it well and made a paste out of it. Now, what is ochre? Ochre is a color. Yes. I'm wearing this ochre. Yes, that's ochre. And she takes lime. This is not lemon here. Lime is a mixture we use to whitewash our homes. Yes, that's lime. And turmeric is haldi. Everybody knows that. She mixes it and she makes a paste by adding a little bit of water in it. And what do you think she does? Using these 3 colors, she painted the picture of a child on either side of a door. On the left-hand side, there was a boy. She draws a picture of a boy, paints it rather, and on the other side, the right side, she draws a picture of a girl. Yes, and what do you think this old lady Lakshmi called them? She named them Golu, and Peta. I don't have Peta, so I've got this Barfi, so we can say Golu and Barfi. Okay, Golu and Peta. All right, she names them Golu and Peta. Soon she began to think, all the children in the village have sweets for Deepavali. Why not Golu and Peta? But they're already sweets, all right. So what does she do? So she lights up a fire and she makes some laddus. We all love laddus. Yes, I know you're dying to have them. So am I, but I'll wait till the class is over. All right. So she makes some laddus all day long. Her hut was full of the lovely fragrant smell of the laddus. Evening came and soon it was dark. The village shone with lighted diyas. We all know what diyas are? Yes. Lakshmi also lighted 2 diyas. They are the mitti ke bane hote? Yes, diyas. And placed them before her front door. So we all light diyas during Diwali and we place them outside our door. Then Lakshmi took 2 bowls. She takes 2 bowls. They're made out of leaves. What do you think she does? She puts a laddu in each of the bowl and she places these bowls before the pictures of Golu and Peta. The painting, the drawing she had made of the boy and the girl. Yes, so she places one laddu in a bowl of leaves. For a long time, Lakshmi stood before her hut, looking admiringly at Golu and Peta. What am I doing right now? I'm looking admiringly at all of you with a lot of respect and love and liking. So that's how she was looking at the pictures of Golu and Peta. Are they real? No, that's just a drawing. Then she went in. There was a little dal. Pulses, dal, we all have dal. Yes, she takes a little bit of dal from the leftover from the morning meal. There were some rotis also. But she was not hungry because she was very lonely. She was sad. She didn't have children of her own. And everybody was enjoying the festivities. She lay on her bed and she goes to bed without eating anything. And after a little while, she was fast asleep. Then something wonderful happened. What do you think is going to happen? Yes, Golu and Peta come to life. Sorry, Barfi. All right. Golu and Peta, the drawings by the door, they come alive. Can you imagine? What if you draw a monster and it comes alive? Don't ever do that. Then something wonderful happened. The light from the diyas fell on Golu and Peta and they came to life. The light from the diyas, they reflected on the pictures made by Lakshmi, the old lady, and these 2 characters, they become live. They jumped off the wall, not the bed, the wall, and had the laddus. These laddus are delicious. Yummy, said Golu. Let's see if there are more inside the hut. Hand in hand, they went into the hut. Who went into the hut? Yes, the drawings which have come alive. They found 3 more laddus near the fireplace and they took each. They took 1 each. Just then, Peta whispered to Golu, Golu, there's Amma sleeping in the corner. Peta ran forward. Lakshmi was fast asleep, but even in her sleep, her face was lovely, kind and gentle. Peta's heart filled with love for Lakshmi. And you know what she says? She says softly, Amma, Amma. She calls her Amma. Lakshmi woke up at once. She saw the 2 children and cried out for joy. Crying out of joy. She was so happy. Oh, Golu and Peta, you have come here at last. I knew someday you would come to me. The children hugged her Amma. They said together, now we are here to stay. From that day, Lakshmi never felt lonely, for her heart was filled with the laughter of her children. That was the imaginary Golu and Peta. Yes? You enjoyed the story? Alright, now I'm going to go and have my laddu and my barfi. If you like the story, do subscribe and put a thumbs up and kindly share this video with all the children who want to know about the story of Golu and Peta. Well, can I ask you some questions? Alright. Why was Lakshmi lonely? Alright. Yes, she was sad and lonely because she had no children of her own and her husband had died. What festival are they celebrating, the village people? Deepavali, the festival of lights. Yes, the good over the evil. And why did she make those laddus? Yes, she made those laddus for her children. She had just drawn. Yes, she drew the picture of Golu and Peta, a boy and a girl, by the door, and she made laddus for them. And what does she light outside? Yes, a diya, mitti ka. Yes, mitti ka diya. What else did Lakshmi do for Diwali? She lights a diya. And why did she not eat that night? Because she was very hungry. She was not really hungry. Sorry, she wasn't hungry. She was lonely and sad. That's why she did not eat that day. And what was the gift she got on Diwali? Yes, the drawings came alive. Golu and Peta came alive and they ran inside to look for more laddus and they see her lying down and they call her Amma and she's really blessed. Now, I'm going to ask you a question here, children. Lakshmi was sad and lonely because she did not have children of her own. So she made Golu and Peta. And she even made laddus for them. What else do you think she could have done to be happy? Yes, children, there are times when you're lonely for whatever reasons, but you can make the most of it by celebrating and spending time in your neighborhood. She could have made laddus for the children there, and I'm sure they would have welcomed her. Right? All right. I'm sure you all enjoyed it. Have a safe Diwali and no patakas. Diwali in a different way. A green Diwali. All right. Subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.